Hi, my name is Jimmy Guzman of JNG Event Consulting, and I'm very excited to talk about Secure at Last, my installation at Art in Bloom at the Museum of Fine Arts. When I was approached to participate in Art in Bloom at the Museum of Fine Arts, it was probably, I was startled, but I was also extremely happy when they told me the location of where I would be designing. My reaction to it was very subtle and very subdued, but inside I was thrilled. I couldn't believe that I would be doing the main entrance of the Museum of Fine Arts. It was probably the biggest dream of my life. The whole process of preparing for it was a deeply intense one where I sort of entered this very artistic mindset and sort of sought inspiration from everywhere, from film, from television, from literature, from art. When I was conceptualizing sort of the piece itself, I wanted to create something that when people walked into the museum and they opened the doors, that they would be confronted with a really gratifying visual experience that sort of touched upon so many different senses and evoked so many different emotions within them. I wanted to create something towering and big and evocative. What I did ultimately execute, I decided to design two towering floral arrangements that were each 6 feet tall, and the structure of each would represent our bodies. The coverings of the infrastructure would be allowed to wither and decay over the course of the exhibit, and all of the outer flowers, which represent our outward experiences in life, those would inevitably change, just like our life experiences change. But some of the more long-lasting flowers, which represent sort of our long-lasting memories, the ones that don't go away and that we hold on to, and then of course the ones that do fall off and wither are the ones that we let go of. So in a lot of ways, the two pieces represent life itself and our experiences of life, and it touches upon the themes of memory and experience and hopes and dreams and all of those things. And the two pieces are very different. You know, if you place the two structures side by side, they do not mirror each other, and that was purposeful because no two lives are ever the same. All of those blooms and all of those outward experiences of each of those structures' lives should be different and would have to be different in order for it to make sense. You know, it was so grueling, the whole process of executing the design, which is why it felt so much and why it was a performance art piece. It actually became a very emotional thing for me. I mean, 2 days before I had to take the piece down, I almost cried as I was on the ladder because I felt so much a part of it and they felt so much a part of me, and I had invested so much time, energy, and resources into the pieces themselves that it was challenging to let it go. So the whole Art in Bloom experience was probably one of the most significant, if not the most significant experience of my life and of my career, because it grouped and it sort of it brought so many things together and integrated so many different things, and it gave me so much foresight into the future, into the different projects that I wanted to be involved with. Of course, wanting to be further involved with the arts in Boston and creating different experiences and things and promoting those things and promoting emerging artists and working with people and collaborating and things like that.